What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another vlog. And today is Sunday, and we have two beautiful bikes at my place. In fact, three. There's another one in there. Yeah, the Harley is down in there. Okay, so the first thing, as I promised, the bike completed its 400 kilometers mark, and he's got the bike service. Manju is right there. Manj, hey, hi. Right, and today this bike belongs to Melvin Lewis. I'll put a link of his Instagram ID on this video as well, and that's him. Hey, all right. So he has Red Rooster's exhaust already installed. No, you guys are not gonna listen to the sound anytime soon, but we can definitely listen to this one's sound very soon. So we are gonna swap the exhausts, and then we're gonna have a video on that, and I'm gonna post the installation video as well with this. And now let's have a cold start, bro. It sounds really neat. The bike is real smooth, and as I told you, we got the first service done, and we have got quite a few accessories as well installed from the previous video. Right, so we got this done. This is an accessory bit, and we got the crash guards, the chrome ones, and he's got the oil sump cover as well on the rear. Right, so it acts as a bash plate. And then what else? Oh yes, and I totally forgot the highway mirrors. Right, so these are real sturdy. It doesn't vibrate, and it gives you a real good view as well. So you can adjust this. You can actually go this sideways, right? So yeah, that's about it. So the next installation is the exhaust that we are doing it right away. Cheers. Yay! All right, so we have our exhaust here. This is by Red Roosters. Yep. Let's do the unboxing. Yay! Nice. These look like bazookas.
Yeah. Kinda.
You're missing something here? No. Oh,
These are bolts.
those are the bolts.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, nice. That's the logo. They don't have a logo. Oh, they do have a logo.
Let me show you like this.
Wow. Nice. How much does this cost you?
19.
19K. Oh, nice. Beautiful. How heavy is it?
It's not that heavy though. Stock is very heavy.
Let's get the weighing scale. Let's get the weighing scale. Yeah, the exhausts. Let's weigh it.
5.4.
5.4 kilos. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna install the exhausts. So those are the stock exhausts. Find a last view of these. So first start. Let's put the baffles on. have a problem. We got air leak now. So maybe we need to have a gasket. First start without baffle. Not sure if it is on neutral. Yes, it is. Right, let's fire it up.